We begin the program today with our two distinguished alumni awards. The Distinguished Alumni Award is Minnetonka's top alumni honor, recognizing distinguished professional achievement, leadership for service for the greater good. Our first honoree is Dr. Victoria Annie Johnson from the class of 1974. She is receiving this award posthumously. A renowned physician and HIV/AIDS researcher, Dr. Johnson was a global leader in antiviral drug development and helped set the international standard for HIV care. As the first female faculty member in the University of Alabama at Birmingham's Infectious Disease Division, she authored countless scientific papers, mentored hundreds of physicians, and played a pivotal role in advancing clinical treatment worldwide. To share more about Dr. Johnson is Robert Sorensen from the class of 1974.
It is my privilege to introduce Dr. Victoria Ann Johnson for the 2025 Distinguished Alumni Award. Vicki graduated from Minnetonka High School in 1974. She graduated from St. Olaf College in 1978 and from the University of Minnesota Medical School in 1982. Vicki was at the Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center in Hanover, New Hampshire for 4 years and served as chief medical resident, followed by 1 year as a clinical fellow in infectious disease at the University of Colorado. After 3 years as a research fellow and instructor in medicine in virology and infectious diseases at the Massachusetts General Hospital, Harvard Medical School, she joined the faculty at the University of Alabama, Birmingham. While at UAB, Vicki was appointed Professor Emeritus of Infectious Diseases in the Department of Medicine and remained until 2022. Vicki's passion was internal medicine, infectious disease, and virology. Her concentration was on AIDS and HIV during a time when that disease was mostly unknown and in most cases fatal. She was the principal author or co-author of nearly 100 peer-reviewed scientific manuscripts and 12 reviews and book chapters, published in prestigious national and international journals and textbooks. As an educator, Vicki mentored 25 infectious disease fellows, more than 750 physicians, and 100 medical students. She played very significant roles with the National Institutes of Health and the Food and Drug Administration, contributing to the approval of new drugs for HIV and hepatitis. And if that was not enough, Vicki served as a physician at the Birmingham Veterans Affairs Medical Center, helping to heal our great warfighters. Throughout her career, Vicki was the consummate clinician, researcher, teacher, and mentor. On a personal note, Vicki and I were childhood friends. We grew up in Deep Haven, played together as little kids, spent many summer days at the beach, and went through Minnetonka High School's K through 12. Everyone in our class knew Vicki as a very kind, friendly, and caring girl. She was everything good in people. We also knew Vicki as a woman of great honor, dedication, discipline, and courage. She always did the right thing, even when nobody was looking. Vicki answered a great calling in her life to be a medical doctor, something really hard, and she took on that challenge. She also took on the great responsibility to study infectious diseases. Her work might save us all someday, I don't know. Sadly, Vicki left us too soon. She passed away in October 2023. We all miss you very much, Vicki, and wish you were here in person to accept this award. I would like to thank Vicki's mom, Shirley, and her husband, Bruce Bodner, for inviting me to give this introduction. This is very special. I would also like to thank the Minnetonka Alumni Group and the staff for selecting Vicki for the Distinguished Alumni Award and for organizing this ceremony. Thank you to all.
Please welcome Bruce Bodner, Dr. Johnson's husband, to the stage to accept the award on behalf of Dr. Johnson.
I want to thank the Alumni Association and the Minnetonka High School, and I hope I can get through this. And Bob Sorensen for nominating Vicki for this award. Vicki, after she went to University of Minnesota Medical School, and then Dartmouth and University of Colorado and Harvard, and then was recruited to University of Alabama at Birmingham. And that's where we met in the early 1990s. So I don't have any specific stories about favorite teachers or classes here at Minnetonka High School. But one thing Vicki always said, she loved growing up in Deep Haven, and her education here at Deep Haven Elementary and Minnetonka High School was exceptional. And she had worked with numerous medical students and physicians and collaborated internationally with physicians and researchers. And she never felt like her education put her at any disadvantage. She always said that the foundation she received here in Deep Haven in Minnetonka High School gave her a foundation to go on in throughout her career. And that's one thing she always enjoyed the most, is working with patients and also mentoring medical students and fellows in infectious diseases. And that was really her passion. And she would love to be here to see her classmates and family. So thank you again.